Good morning. So today I'm going to walk you through the last 1 year's journey. So when we started CRM 10 years ago, we were not the first company to start the CRM software. There were dozens of CRM software companies. There was Siebel, Act, Goldmine, of course Salesforce was there, and many other companies were there. But today, after 10 years, when we look at our own history and milestones, it is not that we are challenging our competitors, but we are challenging ourselves. And because of you, the happy customers and partners, we are here. And now I want to show you some of the important features that we released in the last 1 year, post Joholics 2014. The Zoho CRM has one primary focus. We don't want to solve every world's problem. So we want to solve salesperson's unique problems. One is to prioritize and sell better. They need to be automated their all activities so that they will be productive. They should be able to track their own sales activities, connect with customers through social media, through email, through telephony, and any other channels that they interact with customers. And of course, they need to extend Zoho CRM with integrating third-party apps like what Raju mentioned in the previous session. So we are very much focused on the integrations that will give more business logic. It will give you more power to automate your business processes. And of course, CRM for Google Apps and mobile. The last 1 year, we have released a set of new features. One such feature is CRM views. It is a reimagination of our work. Basically, like when you see any CRM application, it looks like it will give you a feel that it is a spreadsheet. It is an old spreadsheet view. There is no reimagination. So every record, like every customer information is stored like one row in the, so that is what we challenged ourselves. That is not the way that we want to show our customer records. We need to segment it better so that when salesperson logs into the CRM system, they should get a first-hand information. Who are all my customers? Who are all my prospects? Who are all my leads? And what are the activities that I need to follow up today? That is lacking before. So what we did is we segmented into different baskets. So basically, when you look at your CRM, you'll have customers, potentials, leads and contacts in any other records. Let us say when salesperson click on, so you can actually get it two views. So we are not actually removing the Excel way of handling because there are still people who want to use that. So we don't want to take out that. But we suggest that this is a better way of handling your customer interactions. So let us imagine there is an open potential, submit RFP. So what happens when the sales rep clicks on the RFP? Instantly, the salesperson will see the all details, name of the customer, the deal size, stage, when it's going to get closed, and all the history, notes, social media feeds, and any other upcoming actions. So that is the power of the CRM views. So you can see the entire information of your customer in front of you. You need not toggle between multiple tabs, contacts, potentials, email, tasks, and everything. Everything you can see instantly in front of you. So that is the gain of CRM views. The second feature that we released in the last 1 year is feeds. In general, sales function in one island, marketing in different island. They need to work together. How they can work together? They need better software, they need better culture and better systems in place. The collaboration is going to play an important role in the current business scenario. So that's where that we built feed system. Whether the salesperson is inside office or is traveling, he should be able to always connect with all his employees and get instant information through feeds. As Raju mentioned, the integrations are crucial for our business because sales works in, again, different island, marketing works in different islands, support has different set of islands. Each individual has different needs, different goals. So one of the most important challenges sales and marketing face day in, day out is marketing spends, sales generate revenues. So that is the problem. salespeople see that marketings are wasting time. They are just nothing but bunch of blah, blah, blah. So as a marketer, I listen every time, but I take with a, yeah. At the same time, marketers feel that, oh, we are giving lots of leads to sales. What's happening? Nothing is happening on, why is that? In the internet age, Google is one of the wonderful system. So they are generating billions of dollars from all of our small businesses. And we don't know that we have a problem. We are not able to connect. We are able to see the actual data. Oh, AdWords is giving me thousands of conversions. But where are they? Are they actually converting to real customers or not? What's happening? So we released an interesting feature last year, integration with Google AdWords. So then another important aspect is every day thousands of people visit your website. How do you know that thousands of people visit your website? Looking at your web analytics software. It gives you the number of visitors daily, monthly, weekly, whatever data you want, they'll give you. They'll give you bounce rate, 40%, 60%, 80% bounce rate. You need to fix all these website pages and all. And what are the most popular pages? Does the web analytics software tell you who visited your website? Are they new visitors or are they new customers or the potential buyers? And what pages do they visit? How much time they spent on your website? You can't find. So that is the problem with web analytics software. It solves only one problem. It gives you an aggregate information, but it will not give you real-time information on how your visitors are engaging with you, your company, and your people. We had a couple of sessions on how to use Zoho Sales IQ, or how salesperson can engage with their audience, basically customers or prospects or leads, by integrating with Sales IQ within CRM. We don't want salespeople to go outside Zoho CRM and do all the things. So they should be in CRM and they should get all the things done. A typical flow will be like this. A website visitor came to your landing page. They browse some set of content and they finally ended features page. By the time the visitor is on your website for say 1 minute, you can very well trigger a proactive chat. So what happens is you will be able to connect with that person and you will engage with the person, and chances are there that you can convert them to a lead. Later, say after 1 week, the person again visits your website. In CRM system, you can very well track, this person visited 1 week. And what information he browsed it through, you can very well see that. And you can offer a better service or better product or better solution to the visitor. The visitor is no more a visitor. You know who is he or who is she. It is already there in your CRM system. So when a new visitor or when a customer or a prospect visits your website, we are going to have inside CRM, we will be tracking all the information so that you will be easily trace, so I'm going to offer this service or this product or this solution to him. You can also look at past charts and you can look at what pages they visited. Instantly you can chat from the CRM itself. So you need not go to Sales IQ. So if you exclusively use Sales IQ, that is fine. So there are marketers, there are support people, they need exclusive chat functionality out of CRM. But for the sales people, they should do everything inside CRM, because in another tab they need to make a phone call. So they need not toggle between two different software. So within CRM itself, they can do all these things. So when I said in the beginning that we want to provide a better solution for you to engage with your customers. It could be an email, or it could be social media, or it could be a telephony system, or now we introduce the live chat also. The problem with, again, the telephony systems are, your telephony system is somewhere in the island, somewhere in the cloud, or somewhere in on-premise system, and your CRM system is in front of you, and you need to make a phone call, you need to receive phone call, or you might be traveling and you need to receive a phone call in your mobile system. How it happens? You cannot connect. When you are on the phone, you don't know that who is calling you. It could be a visitor, or it could be a customer, or it could be someone else. So we are connecting these disintegrated platforms into one single unified communication system. So what happens here is, within CRM, you can very well receive phone calls, make phone calls, take notes, forward calls, anything and everything that you can do in any telephony system. Today we have integrated with Ringio, Twilio, Talkdesk, Avaya, Like this, there are so many vendors in pipeline. So one of the challenges businesses face is they know their product very well. To some extent, they know their customers. But it's very important for you to understand your customers better and know that what the person or what the customer is saying about your business, not at the aggregate level. So again, see the Google Analytics, it is an aggregate level. You look at any survey system, it will give you an aggregate information. It is all vanity metrics that is not sufficient for businesses to grow. You need to tie in, you need to connect what customer says, what customer feels, what customer thinks about your product, your service, and it should be directly integrated with your CRM system, with your contacts, with your accounts, businesses. It's not just what they say yesterday, what they say 3 months ago, what they say in the history of like say 5 years, 6 years, or a period of customer lifetime. So that is very important for you because you need to retain them for a longer time. So if you want to offer better service, you need to understand your customers better. So we have a solution for this. Zoho Survey is a standalone product. And now we have integrated Zoho Survey with CRM. And it provides you a wonderful system. You can very well send survey emails to customers and get the survey form built in Zoho Survey and send from CRM itself. And how we do? So this is the thing. So you want to send an email to say 100,000 contacts, or you want to send an email to 250 contacts. If you want to send an email or a survey email to 250 contacts, you can very well use CRM system, and we offer the mass email. What if you want to do an annual brand survey? And now you can very well use Zoho campaigns. So we are connecting CRM, survey, and in between you have campaigns. All these 3 products will add a lot of value to your business to understand your customers better. So it's not just you run the survey, and once you execute the survey, you can very well see the response within CRM. Now there is another interesting feature. Sales typically sells, whereas marketers do marketing. They don't do the actual work. They do the work, but the actual work is done by people, employees, and other employees, developers, programmers. There is a disconnect. Salesperson don't know that when to bill. And the person who actually do the job, they don't know that, oh, he's the customer, or who is the customer, I need to get this work done. So here is the problem. So how we are going to address this? So we are connecting Zoho projects with Zoho CRM. So what happens here is, when you close a deal or when you close a consulting opportunity, it will automatically create a project in Zoho projects so that all other employees who are part of that project, they can execute well. They can periodically update the salesperson, what's happening, what the milestone, when they should bill. All these details will automatically come to CRM. This is another integration that we did the last 1 year. Right now, the email system is like this. We have enabled the POP3 support for 5 years, and there is a good adoption rate. And our customers ask periodically, in every forum, Twitter, everywhere we see that they want IMAP support, not just POP3. We listen to them. And it is not an easy thing. So if you look at any of the email vendor or any other CRM vendor, they have not taken up this kind of complex project. IMAP implementation on the web is not an easy thing to do. It requires a lot of data processing instantaneously. So we have taken up this project and we have opened to some of our customers and some of our partners. So then there is workflow automation. When it comes to workflow automation, it's not just closing deals, creating tasks, alerts, notifications, custom functions, and so forth. There are a set of things that require approval from managers. You want to offer a discount to your valuable customers, and it is above your pay grade. You need to get an approval from your manager. You send an email to your manager, but the problem here is the manager has to approve it. Manager has to receive a phone call or receive an email, or multiple times you need to ask, oh, I want to give a discount. Customer is waiting and salesperson is trying to close the deal, but manager is in some other work. how we make it easily. So when you require an approval, we seamlessly send notifications. We alert the manager or whoever is on the above his hierarchy multiple times, frequently will update. So what happens is the manager approves and everyone is happy. But as a marketer, I face day in, day out. I want to do an interesting trade show. I found a good trade show in London. I have to get approval from my manager because I have to spend $10,000. I can only spend $5,000. So the trade show is very near. So I need to close that within a month or so. So again, I need to create a campaign. I need to send, or I need to do through a conventional way that send an email, follow up, and through email. So again, the workflow approval system is going to help me set up the rule. If something has to be approved, if the budget is more than $10,000, send an instant mail. If the manager is not approving, another reminder on 24 hours, 36 hours, you can set it. You got it, right? So the challenge that we face, we listen to them. We listen to all of you. And providing an Outlook plugin for Mac, it is not an easy thing. It is very easy to go and create a plugin for Microsoft Outlook on Windows, but it is difficult. Very few vendors are doing plugins for Apple Mac. And I'm very happy that we released this year, after like say 3-4 years of development work and all, we found the way how to integrate it. And many of you are using already. And we see a lot of good comments and a lot of improvement requests, but it's a different platform. It is not as seamless as your Microsoft Windows Outlook plugin, but we are there. We are improving it. So this is our commitment. We want to support Outlook plugin, both for Windows as well as for Mac. So we have taken a right step in that direction. This is another interesting stuff. When we launched our custom functions in 2013, we were under impression that most of the workflow automation and custom functions will be created by CRM administrators. Our assumption was CRM administrators, they may not have programming knowledge. Why should they do all this? Let us do only drag and drop. Just drag whatever you want and create a meaningful custom function. The last 1 year, we found that there are so many partners who develop great applications and they want to build custom functions, not just by drag and drop, and they want to write 1,000 lines of code of Deluge script. So these are all the problems. So you can't give drag and drop functionality for them. You need to give them a free-flowing script builder so that they can just write on the notepad and they just copy-paste and they want to test it. And finally, this year we crossed 1 million users milestone for our mobile apps. It's not for the Zoho CRM or Zoho apps. Only for mobile apps, we have more than 1 million downloads. To celebrate that, we made it free for all editions. It's not just for enterprise, professional, or standard. In all editions, mobile app is free. We also introduced Zoho CRM Plus. Rodrigo spoke about what problems it solves. It's a bundle of 8 different products. We are going to bundle many more in this suite and make your business more friendly for your customers. And finally, we released, it was 3 users free when we started, and to celebrate our 10th year, we started giving you 10 users free. It is only for startups, those who want to use free edition, but you want more extensive functionality and you want more use cases to be addressed, we always welcome you to. As you grow, our philosophy is as you grow, we want to grow. It is not that we just grow and you not, sort of. Thank you so much.